Hello everyone, I'm Cindy from dopeyeezys.com. This is my website. You can see this, yeah. Today I want to show this wallet, yeah. You can see the both color is yellow, and you can see the up, you can see every logo, and the this side you can see every logos and some Chinese. Okay, now let me open it to show you. Yeah, you can see the bag. Yeah, you can see the pocket is very carefully. Yeah, hold on. Okay, please take it. Yeah. Wow, it is very okay. You can see that the color is big red. It is very conspicuous, and you can see this white color Supreme logo and the every logo, and you can see the lines are very clearly. Yeah, the materials is very good. Yeah, the inside you can see the left have 2 layers, and the right you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. Yeah, it is very cute. Yeah. And you can see it is very thin. Yeah, I think it is very easy and convenient to carry it. Yeah, we also can put in our clothes pocket. Yeah, it is very beautiful. This part you can see every logo. Okay, now let me show you another one. Yeah. You can see that it is black one. Hold on, you can see it. Yeah. Wow, the color is black. It is very classical. Yeah. And the same, you can see Supreme logo. You can see it, and the LV logo. And the inside, you can see the same layers. Yeah. I think very beautiful. Yeah, you can see have red color and black color. If you like it, you can go to my website to order to take it. Yeah, you can see it is very beautiful. Okay. Please remember, I'm Cindy from dopeyeezys.com. Thank you for watching my videos. See you next time. Bye.